Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, the best premium air fryer in 2025. This is the most sophisticated fryer around. For those looking for a deep fryer that goes beyond the basics, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is an ideal choice. This appliance combines the functionality of a toaster oven with the function of a deep fryer, allowing you to prepare everything from crispy wings to a whole chicken or even a 13-inch pizza. Thanks to smart sensors and heating elements, this model automatically adjusts the temperature to deliver perfect cooking without hot or cold spot. Although its price is high and it takes up a lot of space in the kitchen, the versatility and capacity justify the investment. The Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro with Element IQ technology is designed for cooks looking for a countertop oven that can bake for many people, dehydrate food for healthy snacks, and make crispy French fries for the whole family. The super convection function reduces the cooking time by 30% and browns the food. With the Element IQ system, 6 independent quartz heating elements direct power where it's needed most, above and below the food, so it cooks to perfection. The device packs a set of 13 cooking functions that will give you perfection when preparing bagels, pizzas, cookies, and up to 9 toast, or when heating, baking, frying, roasting, lighting, air frying, reheating, low temperature cooking, dehydration, you name it. The integrated interior light turns on automatically when the cooking cycle is finished, but can also be controlled with a push of a button. If you have enough money for this beast, we say go for it.